From the world-famous Nashville Nightlife Dinner Theater in Nashville, Tennessee, it's the Shotgun Red Variety Show. Featuring never-before-seen acts from around the world. Singing, dancing, magic, comedy. Entertainers from 6 to 96. And now, from the stage of the Nashville Nightlife Dinner Theater, here's your host, Shotgun Red.
Red.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah. Well, welcome back to the Shotgun Red Variety Show. There's pretty much... Okay, never mind. I got to introduce this guy, because if you love you still got me shook up. If you like Marty Robbins, you're going to love this guy. Let's hear it for David Wayne. Yeah.
There's nothing left for me, a place that used to be. I live in memory among my souvenirs. Some letters tied in a photograph or two. I find a rose from you among my souvenirs. A few more tokens rest down in my treasure chest, and though they do their best to give me consolation, I count them all apart, and as the teardrops start, I find a broken heart among my souvenirs. I live in memory among my souvenirs. Thank you.
David Wayne, bringing us our Marty Robbins music back to our stage here at the Shotgun Red Variety Show. I got a lot of information about you. You guys are doing a bunch of taping with our dear friends also on RFD-TV, Virginia Dreams.
Yes, glad to be going back to Harrisonburg, Virginia with Tim Spears and Nelson Schwartz and all the very good folks down in Virginia.
Yes, Tim Spears is a great singer in his own right. You can applaud that. We great show down there. You're going to tape like 6 shows?
Yes.
Wow. Wait, now tell me about your award that you were nominated for out in California because of a lot of airplay.
Yes, the song was being played over 300 radio stations across the U.S.
What song?
The song we just did here was Among My Souvenirs.
See, perfect timing, perfect timing. Now you also, charting because of that, you're charting in several different areas, aren't you, right now?
Yes, right here on the indie charts here in Nashville. This week is number 9.
Let's hear it. Number 9 on the independent charts.
World famous.
Let's talk about fairs and festivals. I know you work a lot of fairs, festivals, theaters, shows like that, because we see you on other shows as well. but you do something that it seems like a lot of the acts that come to our show do, and it warms my heart to know it. You guys work a lot of nursing homes and shut-in kind of facilities, right?
Yes, they're the best part of my work because I enjoy them the most.
You know, there was an old joke little Jimmy Dickens used to tell. He said, I was playing the senior citizens home. He said, everybody was clapping except for one guy. He just sat there and stared at me. He said, after the show, he said, he walked out to him, looked at him, and says, don't you know who I am? The guy said, no, but if you ask the lady at the front desk, she'll tell you. I thought that was a great line, you know what I'm saying? Right. Let's show your CD here because this has got some great music on it. Does this include that song as well?
Yes, it does.
And now, does it include a song you're getting ready to do next as well?
No, it's not on this CD.
But are you going to do the song you're getting ready to do on a new CD?
Yes, coming up.
Okay, let's get a shot of that. Make sure that we got a good frame of that. Thanks a million. This is a tribute to Marty Robbins. Now, you've done several selections off of that CD on our show in the past.
Yes, I have.
What all's on there? Name some songs. I know you know them.
Don't Worry About Me. Of course, among my souvenirs. And a song I love a whole lot is called I Walk Alone.
Wow. What is the song you're getting ready to do next?
Honky Tonk Man.
Honky Tonk Man. But before we do that, we're going to put some information on the screen. There it is, www.davidwayneCountrySinger.com. And that's how you get a hold of that rascal. Is there a phone number as well they could call to book you?
Oh, yes.
I don't have it on my sheet. That's the reason I'm asking you. What is your management's number?
That phone number is
740-708-9592. And you know what the amazing thing is? As you were saying that, it was already on the screen. How did you know that? I don't know either. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to sing another song for us and get his CD. You go onto his website, check him out, go see one of his live shows. But we got him right here, right now. One more hand for David Wayne. Here he is, folks.
I'm a honky tonk man, and I can't seem to stop. I love to give the girls the world to the music of an old jukebox. And when my money's all gone, I'm on the telephone, calling, hey, hey, mama, can your daddy come home? Well, I'm living fast and a dangerously, and I've got plenty of company. When the moon comes up and the sun goes down, that's when I want to see the lights of town. I'm a honky tonk man, and I can't seem to stop. I love to give the girls the world to the music of an old jukebox. But when my money's all gone, I'm on the telephone, hollering, hey, hey, mama, can your daddy come home? I'm a honky tonk man, and I can't seem to stop. I love to give the girls the world to the music of an old jukebox. And when my money's all gone, I'm on the telephone, hollering, hey, hey, mama, can your daddy come home? Takes a pretty little girl and a jug of wine. That's what it takes to make a honky tonk man. With the jukebox a moaning, the honky tonk sound, that's when I want to lay my money down. I'm a honky tonk man, and I can't seem to stop. I love to give the girls the world to the music of an old jukebox. And when my money's all gone, I'm on the telephone, hollering, hey, hey, mama, can your daddy come home?
That's David Wayne, and we'll be right back with the Shotgun Red Variety Show right after this. Stick around.